in a rolling bay. Wheels are turning, life is free. Homes wherever we choose to be. Movement and motion, shift, grow and go. Adventure calling, time to show. Every mile a story glows. In life's map we find our flow. City lights and starry nights, chasing dawns with endless sights. Hearts wide open, spirits high. Freedom's wind beneath the sky. Movement and motion, shift, grow and go. Adventure calling, time to show. Every mile a story glows. In life's map we find our flow. No more anchors, time to soar. Every mile reveals a door. Embrace the new, let past things go. On this journey, watch us grow. Movement and motion, shift, grow and go. Adventure calling, time to show. Every mile a story glows. In life's map we find our flow. Movement and motion, shift, grow and go. Adventure calling, time to show. Every mile a story glows. In life's map we find our flow. No more anchors, time to soar. Every mile reveals a door. Embrace the new, let past things go. On this journey, watch us grow.